What is PIP in Forex? In the Forex market, a PIP, short for percentage point, is a standardized unit that represents the smallest price movement in a currency pair. In most currency pairs, like Euro USD, GBP USD, a PIP is the movement in the fourth decimal place, 0.0001. For pairs involving the Japanese yen JPY, a PIP is a change in the second decimal place, 0.01. This small unit of measurement allows traders to track even the slightest price changes in the market. For example, if Euro USD moves from 1.000 to 1.005, that's a 5 pip movement for USD Japanese yen. If the price moves from 110.50 to 110.70, that's a 20 pip change. So, that's PIP in Forex. Thank you for watching. Stay awesome and keep tuning in. See you in the next video.